maganda rin naman yung pinapakita ng EAC. It's really just the errors.
Yes. Actually, yun nga yung sinasabi ni Coach kanina dito na wala din talaga yung aggressiveness nila sa loob ng court.
Lut. Alimen, back row. Diponya. Bachar. Picked up by De Andres. Toriado. Habakon.
Oh,
Angel Habakon opens the third set.
16 points now for Habakon.
medyo nagpa-placing muna dito si Angel. Mukhang may nire-reserve na energy to ah. Good serve.
Lut has to dump it over to the other side.
Bachar. Sabi niya out.
Bachar.
7 points in the match for Janelle.
Maganda dito kasi it's Bachar and Habakon show. Pag alam nung setter na hindi effective si Habakon, punta siya kay Bachar.
Oh, walang kumuha. Angel.
Angel.
Angel Habakon.
17 points for Angel Habakon.
Grabe.
Alam mo, napansin ko ngayong season, high scoring. Yung mga, yung mga ace spikers and even the middle blockers, like si Zam Nolasco
Yes.
had 29 points and had 25, I think, in the second match.
Alimen.
Jake Alimen.
Confident siya dun sa follow niya na yun. Talagang nakita niyang walang tao.
Gets the first point for EC in the set.
That's a good intention right there. Oh,
Services for the Lady Generals.
Let's see if they can maintain this type of energy.
ito na. Ito yung hindi natin nakita nung second set na hinahanap din ni Coach kanina.
The Lady Generals.
Bachar again.
Janelle Bachar. Spots the
Ba
hole.
talaga, no? Nagpapalitan lang talaga sila ni Angel.
Pipili na lang si Gracie.
Pili talaga. Yes.
Tamang basa na lang.
Good serve. Pero sabi ni Alimen, hindi daw.
Katubig, cross court. Lut.
One-handig. Whoa.
That's in Fortuna Toyota. There's a challenge to the ball by San Beda. The challenge is
There's going to be a
Challenge.
challenge here. Ayun, let's see.
Inside.
Upon review, the ball went in. So the challenge by San Beda was unsuccessful. The Lady Red Spikers have one remaining challenge for this set. Plus 1 point for EAC. 3 serving 4.
Free ball, mapupunta sa EAC. Lut. Lut tossing it up. Alimen!
No.
The drop went short for Alime.
Good intention naman since wala talagang tao pero kinapos lang.
Nabitin eh.
Kung makikita mo, wala talaga. Mahihirapan talagang kuhanin. Hindi lang talaga pumasok. Kinulang. Kinabahan din yung Sadbeda doon eh. Another one. But the Angel said no. Bachar.
Alimen.
Yes. Finally.
Scores of a touch.
Mas bagay talaga kay Jing yung malalakas niyang palo.
Oo, iba ang braso nitong batang to. Alam mo,
4
parang
points.
nakikita ko sa kanya kung kilala mo si Grace Bombita.
Ah, yes, of course.
Parang brasuhan ng laban, grabe. Pag pinalo mo, parang magpipray ka na lang. Pag tumama yan sa kamay mo.
Pray ka na lang. Oh!
Finally,
May Joniega.
For Joniega.
Fastball.
iba yung mga play ng Sanbeda dito, no? Talagang makikita mong Coach Kung Fu na talaga. Mabibilis na.
Oh!
Yan yung sinasabi ko.
Basag na basag.
Talagang magdadasal kung sino yung magbablock. Alam mo kung ma-maintain to, no, ni Alimen, talagang magiging malaking impact siya dito sa EAC. Denied!
The block point for
Papakita ng buhay itong EAC.
ties the game at 6.
We are now tied. 6-all.
Wow, wow, wow. EAC
I think
starting
that's
to
out.
come alive, but again, they're
Yan lang talaga ang hindi nila kailangan ngayong set.
yun talaga yung sakit nila, yung unforced errors.
Yes.
Laging bumabalik.
Good receive.
Jing. Abacon.
That's out.
Habakon off the block.
18 for Angel Habacon. And we will get another update from courtside from Fatima Reyes when we come back.
Welcome back mga kapuso. Nakatutok pa rin kayo sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball dito lang sa GTV. At para nga sa panig ng Lady Red Spikers, kanina interesado tayo kung paano nga ba magalit ang isang coach kung fu at kahit papasigaw na niyang pinapaalala sa kanyang kupunan na nakukulangan siya sa focus ayon sa kanyang mga players. Hindi pa daw ito ang totoong galit ni coach. At kaya nga paalala niya ngayong third set, maging matalino daw sila sa loob ng court. Bakit daw pahihirapan pa ang volleyball kung alam na nila kung saan sila nakakapuntos. At sa paglabas nga ni coach kung fu ng board, sundin daw ang play na tinuro niya at kapag error, siya daw ang sisihin. Well, this is what teamwork is all about here at Sanbeda Side, Anton and Carl.
Ayan na ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Hindi pa yan yun. Chill pa siya. Chill pa. At least nagbigay naman siya ng heads up. No? Hindi pa daw yun. Kaya talaga pag ki-coach Kung Fu, hindi ka pwede mag-relax.
Lalo na ngayon.
Ayan,
Dahil,
naririnig mo na.
naghahabol ang EAC.
Good receive. Think that's out.
Sack by Joniega went out.
Tabla na tayo. 8
For
all.
the Lady Generals. 8 all is the score.
Habacon. Loot. Jing. Angel.
Oh! Yes!
Angel
Still a point.
Habakon spots the hole in the back.
Grabe, kahit anong ibigay mong set talaga, lumagpas man yan or hindi, talagang pupuntos ka eh, no?
19 points for Angel Habacon. feeling ko magiging consistent yung mga 20-point performances kada match day.
Yes.
Laging may nakaka-20.
At naririnig ko na.
Sino?
Si Coach. Nakikisigaw na rin siya ng palo, di ba?
That's it.
20
Naririnig ko
points
na.
Habako.
for Angel Habacon. A 20-piece. Back-to-back.
Smart
20
play.
point performances for Habacon. Oh,
Papalakpak siya doon.
yes. That's a good sign. Ganun lang.
Bodonado
Good attack
wins the
right
battle.
there.
The net. Nine, serving 10.
Talagang hindi mo na magagawa ng paraan dahil tumama na yung Santana.
7 attack points for Marinel Ramos. Sharp serve. Hiponya. Oh! A chance for EAC to tie. Bachar.
Char!
Lutz.
Buhay pa.
Habacon. Hiponya back to Angel. Oh, what a save by
Buhay
Alimen.
pa.
Oh!
Oh!
Miscommunication leads
Miscommunication
to a point for San Beda.
again. Pero iba yung pinakitang mga digs nitong
Yun ang-
EAC at San Beda.
Yun ang pinakamahabang rally ng match.
Yes. Pero yun lang yung masakit, no?
11,
Doon siya
serving
matatapos. Miscommunication. Parang iba yun, ah. Iba pala yung meaning nun.
Eleven and 9. Oh. Oh, no.
Another error.
On EAC, point for San Beda.
This will be the third time na mag-error sila dito sa positions nila.
And first, since the first set, they had 2 of those errors in the
Yes.
first set.
And I think, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, parang ito din yata yung position ng nag-error sila kanina.
Lut. Bion. Machar.
That's out.
Janelle
Hindi ka na yun, ha?
Bachar off the block.
Walang tao doon.
Timeout EAC, Lady Generals.
Sayang yung mga rotation natin. Mama, anong bigay mo sa kanya? Bakit? Okay. Kailangan pasa tayo. Hindi masyadong malababa yung binaano yung... Alam niyo, palo nila, puro pag-ebe nila, puro ano na lang, back-spin na lang.
Sa rotation, tatlo tayo ngayong araw.
Very observant naman si Coach dahil puro
Serving for the
pabebe
Lady
na daw
Red
ang mga
Spikers
palo.
is EAC Hiponya.
Inantay mo talagang sabihin ko yan, oh.
May nananalo ba na puro pabebe yung
Oo
palo?
naman.
Meron?
Baka ka ba?
Saan?
Pero ita-timing mo lang. Kasi smart play siya. Kahit, alam mo, pag walang tao, di ba? Kung pabebe yung palo mo, pupuntos yan.
Well, sa bagay,
We know that.
effective naman ang pagiging pabebe minsan.
Yes. Finally,
That's good for Ashley
point for
Tomiago.
EAC.
What a delayed set right there. And
Kitang-kita niya na walang tao sa side na yun.
And you can see that Toriado is also a thinking player.
Yes.
Yun nga, as you said, nakita niya, wala.
Matalino. But Bachar.
Malinis.
Oh.
Bachar spots the opening.
Makikita
Super
mo.
clean.
Kung makikita mo, iba talaga yung tindig ng San Beda this time. Iba ang impact ni Coach Kung Fu sa San Beda. Parang mas tumibay.
Yeah,
Lalo na sa atake.
they want to return to being a contender in the Final Four.
Oh!
That's a
Miscommunication
point
right
for
there.
EAC.
Oh my. Lilipad na si Angel, kaya lang may nakaharang. Bachar. Blocked.
Block point for the Lady Generals.
That's Alimen and Toriado.
That's
Service
outside.
So because of that error, we will head into this technical
And we're
timeout
off to our
with
second
San Beda
technical
leading
timeout of the
EAC
third
16
set.
to 12.
San Beda with the lead, 16 to 12.
Sixteen to 12 in favor of San Beda University. Coach Kirk Ong and his EAC Lady Generals are trying to force an extension, but they must win this third set.
End of the second technical
Angel
timeout.
Habacon already
Of
with
set
20 points.
Serving for
And
San
you know,
Beda
when
is
Angel
Eric
goes
Navarro.
back to that front line, Hiponya will go to her almost exclusively. Habacon to Bachar again.
Another
Too low
error
for
for
Alimen.
EAC.
Navarro.
Good serve.
Loot to the middle. Oh, rolling thunder for Habacon. Ano, nasa ilalim.
Medyo napalakas
That's
na
out.
dun.
Plus 1 point for EAC, 13 serving 17. Ashley
17
Toriado
to
to serve
13
for
in
EAC.
favor of the Lady Red Spikers.
Oh. Medyo
Set
mababa
play
yun.
went out for San Beda. Another point for the Lady Generals.
So let's see if Hiponya will make the adjustment, as they've already discussed the height of the set.
Good pass.
Katubig, the rookie. Bachar. Dayanan. Habacon from the back row.
Buhay pa! Good dig.
Angel has that. Bachar.
Janelle
But
Bachar.
Double
Sees the
char.
hole in the right back.
Sabi niya, tama na yung isa. But good dig right there. For Bodonal.
18 serving 14.
Lut. Habakon again. Talagang sinusubukan nilang makakuha ng back row itong si Angel. Joniega picked up. Alimen.
That's
Cross
out.
attack went out for Alimen.
Pero kung makikita mo, no, yung
Point
mga
for the
defense
Lady
nitong
Reds.
DAC, dun sila nabubuhayan this set. Pero yun lang. Another unforced error.
Lut. Runner para kay
Ramos.
Ramos.
That's in for Marinel Ramos.
Mukhang isang beses lang nahuli si Ramos.
Oo nga.
Pero the rest, hindi pa ulit.
Yun yung single ni Angel kanina, di ba?
For
Yes.
AC. Number 7 out.
Specialty talaga ni Ramos yun.
And number 3 out. Number 14, Flor Domo in.
We'll see if ano ang magiging impact ng pinasok ni Coach dito.
Tequila. Hiponya. Katubig.
Katubig.
Jill Katubig.
The rookie, Jill Katubig, finally gets that point.
Kung mapapansin mo, parang hindi rookie maglaro tong mga nasa side ng San Beda, no? Iba mag-contribute, talagang kaya nang maasahan.
And talagang pinilit ni Gracie na makapuntos itong si
Yes.
Katubig. Kanina pa siya binibigyan. But now, Angel Habakon is in the front row. Angel has 20 points in this match.
Which is a good thing, no? Talagang ibinabalik ng setter na magkaroon ulit ng kumpiyansa tong mga spikers, no?
Service out.
San Beda. Looking for win number 2 today.
For San Beda.
And
Number 13
some
out.
substitutions
Number
here
5,
para
China
kay Coach
Castillo
Kung
in.
Fu.
And number 16 out. Number 17, Bea Custorio in.
Okay. New players on the floor. Bea Custorio.
Overpass.
Custorio, binigyan agad.
Bea
Wow.
Custorio.
The rookie, unang pasok pa lang, nakapuntos na agad.
Contribute agad. Quality.
Welcome to the NCAA, Bea Custorio. Happy si Coach Kung Fu.
Hindi nakikinig, kanina ko sinasabi sa iyo yung bola, dito mo lang dadalhin eh. Pag tumatalo ko, nawawala, nakakalimutan. Nasaan si ano? Tao-tao ang ano natin, man-to-man ang blocking natin. Nakakalimutan mo kanina, nag-block ka na dito. Ha?
Go, go, guys!
Kaya pa yan, kaya pa yan.
Yes, eh!
Serving for the Lady Red Spikers is
Chai Castillo at the service line for San Beda.
Good pass.
Tequila. Castillo from the back, Hiponya. A joust at the top. Tequila.
Good dig.
Oh, Castillo doing work and Habakon scores.
Angel Habakon.
21 points for Habakon.
Kung makikita mo dito, tuwan-tuwa yung mga teammates niya since galing silang bench pero ang ganda ng pinapakita.
And what a set by Gracie Hiponya. A running set
George Lut.
for Angel
Number
Habakon.
7.
Yeah,
Cara
credits to
Dayana.
her ha. Lahat ng bitaw niya as in talagang papatayin na lang ng mga spikers niya.
Castillo still at the service line. The graduating pedant. Lut. Running attack na naman para kay Ramos.
Again for Ramos.
Ramos
Walang palya.
with a quick point.
This is like the 5th or 6th point na para kay Ramos sa kanyang
Yes.
mga running attacks.
And yun at yun lang talaga yung ginagawa niya. Effective naman. Good serve.
Gracie to Angel.
Whoa!
Angel Habakon.
That was a
It's
good
the
set.
target.
Credits to Hiponia.
San Beda.
Ganda
Now,
nun, partner.
match
Ang
point.
Kita natin
Ipan.
dito.
Dati ang player ni Coach Kung Fu, CC. Ngayon naman, Angel.
Angel.
Serving for the match.
Puro mga high flyers, ano?
Oo. Hindi pa tapos.
Bodona targets Hiponia for the point. Match point saved by EAC. Serving for the Lady Generals is George Duncan.
Good receive.
Gracie, back set to Bachar. Can San Beda end it here? They're at match point already. Panibagong pagkakataon. Gracie to the middle. Gives it to the rookie. This time, she goes to the captain. Lut, one-handed set. Balik ang bola sa mga bedista. Back set for Bachar.
Hindi pa.
Alimen
Good
picking it up. Dayanan with a free ball.
Oh! Miscommunication right there.
Miscommunication leads to a point for EAC.
Ito na naman. Sila sa isang point na lang.
Pati yung mga fans ng EAC,
Yes.
tayuan din eh.
Hindi pa tapos.
And now,
Timeouts and Meta Lady Red Spikers.
Coach Kung Fu Reyes will call a timeout with his team at match point.
Gitna ka? Gitna. Dito ka naman, Angel Pumalo. Bachar, doon ka lang sa open. Dos, pagbalik. Si Angel ang singo, Beatrice ka. Hey, play to tayo. Ikaw mo nang kanang balikat ka. Sampasa lang. Pag wala automatic, duligid. Sabi mo lang si Angel.
So, gaya nung kanina, nung nasa match point din sila, sampasa lang.
Oo, di ba? Kasi yun yung nawala talaga sa kanila kanina. Kaya
Serving
nag-call
for
na agad ng
EAC
timeout si
is
Coach
George
Kung Fu.
Lut.
Dahil alam niyang ano na ang mangyayari. Good pass.
Hiponia back set, Habakon!
And I think it's outside.
Attack went down.
Di ba?
Point for EAC.
Hindi pa tapos. Nangyari din sa kanila to kanina. But we'll see.
20, serving 24.
Kumakapit pa ang EAC. Gracie, back set to Angel. Lady Generals, keeping it alive. Habakon to Bachar.
Buhay pa!
Wow!
Wow!
Habakon!
No!
Bachar gets the ball in the air. Hiponia to Angel. Lut, back set. Cara Dayanan with a drop. Balik ang bola sa EAC side. Lut to Dayanan. And the rally continues. A long underhand set. Oh no, it's a free ball for EAC. Lut. Lady Generals trying to go for a combination. Back set Bachar. Alimen keeps the ball in play. Nothing there yet for the Lady Generals. Here comes Habakon. And the rally continues. Wow, longest rally of the match. Bachar.
Wow! Hindi pa tapos.
San Beda and EAC taking us for a ride.
Attack error on Bachar.
Lahat sila
after a
napagod.
long rally.
Medyo napagod din ako. Kinabahan ako, guys.
That
Pinagpawisan
gives the
yung kamay ko.
To the Lady Generals.
Wow! Ang ganda ng rally na yon. Napagod tayong lahat.
Oh, wow.
Entering the game,
That
Meda
was
is
the
number
longest
16,
rally
Eddie Navarro.
ever.
Ang ganda ng pinakita ng EAC doon. Talagang hindi pa bibitaw. Hindi pa tapos.
Lut will serve. Hiponya to Habakon.
Oh, yeah.
Angel
Ayan na.
Bacon ends the match
Tinapos
with a
na ni
strike.
Angel Habakon. Wow.
23 points
To our two competing
for the
teams,
third year.
please go
Open
to the
spiker
attack
and
line
team captain
for the singing
for
of
the
your
San
respective
Beda
school
University
hymns.
Lady Red Spikers. Angel Habakon for the win.
Iba ang pinakita nung last point na yon. Lahat pinakaba. Still a good fight.